So some of these decision questions, right, they are set in the corporate environment. So how will it be a disadvantage to any fresher who did not have any corporate exposure to for answering those questions?
It's a very good question. Thank you for asking that, Shrikant. So, when we create a scenario where it's, for instance, a business setting, a corporate setting, uh, definitely situation appears to be a corporate setting. Situation appears to be that something is happening in a workplace, but the decisions are very simple. And we always try to focus that whenever there is a scenario we are giving in our exam, students should not use knowledge which is actually a hardcore business knowledge. We know that there are lots of students who are freshers who have just come out of their colleges, they are applying for B schools. They should not get confused, but yes, something which you are handling at a regular basis, right? Like for instance, even the way you decide on which college to choose, the way you decide on, for instance, should I go with education, higher education, or should I take up my job? We keep that kind of scenario in mind. Even if it's a corporate scenario, the simple principles of decision maker making are applicable. Hardcore business decisions are not given deliberately because we don't test knowledge. We try to test if people can or students can handle decision scenarios and do they follow a structured approach. So even if you are a fresher, don't get worried. Questions are doable. The only strategy you will have to keep in mind is that not only there are lots of other strategies, but one very important strategy is that you will have to think when you are solving. Right? Don't jump on an answer based on just, for instance, what you think is right. Read the stem, read the substem of the question, and try to connect the dots. If you do that, you will actually be able to, mostly you will be able to find the right answer.
So you're advising an analytical approach to a decision problem.
Yes, correct. Analytical at the same time, learn to connect the dots. Don't forget any information, important information given in a main stem.